Hi guys, Peter here from Mpika, Zambia. Today guys, I have a secret for you. All those that are the University of YouTube, you students of the University of YouTube, I want to give you a secret today so that you can graduate with high qualities and achieve big in life and change your life. Here are the guidelines. Follow one mentor, watch one video per day, reflect on that video, apply everything that they are going to teach you. In whatever calling that you are in, choose your mentor who is an expert in that field. And you go on Google, you Google that person, you see the result. He has achieved big. He has more experience. Follow that mentor. Follow that mentor all day long for 5 years. Just that one mentor, and they apply everything that is going to teach you. Apply everything. Don't think you are smarter than him. Apply everything. He knows what he's talking about. For 5 years, without going to the other mentor, without reading 1,000 different types of books. Do that. In less than 2 years, your life will never be the same. If it remains the same, I'm going to give you something. Contact me. But if your life changes, give me something for the credit, for this information. It's free. But if you follow it, it will change your life. It will change your family. It will change everything in your life. Follow these guidelines and your life will never be the same. I've tried it. Alex Amozi, Grant Cardone, Pat David, all these are great mentors. They can change your life. But if you consume Patrick, Iman Gaji, Alex Amozi, Grant Cardone, you will never change your life. But if you choose one, your life will never be the same. And apply everything that is going to tell you. Thank you guys for watching. Please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.